Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen have become one of the most popular backyard upgrading turn same patio into stream entertain space. Whether you love hot family barbecue, romantic dining, and weekend gathering with friend, a week designing outdoor kitchen can make your home feel like and personal. It's not just about look outdoor, it's about create a functional, comfortable and style space that blend seamless with natural. Belong are some of the most interior outdoor kitchen design idea to the help your plan set up. Start with a smart layout. The layout is the foundation of your outdoor kitchen. It should allow to easy movement, benefit look, L-shaped layout. One of the most comfortable design is create a natural work benefit to great area and swim. Its idea for mid to long backyard. U-shaped layout.